I think the frame makes the van so cozy, so this is one of the most important interior part in the van. Here you can see the base to which I will attach the frame. Then I covered with the foil. We just make a frame and fix the parts with junction plates, screws and glues. And then put it into its place. It's set very tightly, so it's easy to make it more stable with junction plates. And then the plywood comes. We cut smaller hole on the plywood before the installation, so now we could cut the exact size of the hole of the frame. As you can see, it's not easy to do because the machine jumps up and down or just burn the wood, but at the end no one sees these cuts. When every corner is nice and smooth, it's time for cover the gap what's between the frame and the window. We cut there a piece of wood and glue a simple window frame insulation stuff to the inside part. We chose this way because the window is not straight and we didn't want to leave there a gap. Then we glued and screwed the panel. And then repeat the other 3 parts as well. Important tip: install the first panel and just after this measure and cut the next panel. Because we cut the 4 panels first and then tried to install them, but of course didn't fit, we had to filing a lot because there is a big difference between the reality and the previous measurements. The panels should be wider than it needs to be, because at the end you can cut them to the right size. And then cover everything with the 4-way stretch material. As you can see, it's not nice, so we put there a molding. These moldings didn't want to stay there with glue because the surface is not straight, so we have to use tiny screws and finally paint it. I put an IKEA track for the curtain. And here you can see the result. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and give you some ideas. Thank you for watching.